Stir fry tofu with minced pork and mushrooms. Stay tuned guys, and I tell you the procedure and preparation of this recipe today. So stay tuned until I finish this video. So those who not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, and hit the button for the new notification of my video. Thank you guys! Now let us tell you all the ingredients. Our mushroom, nor liquid seasoning in sesame oil, minced pork already marinated, salt, sugar, and cornstarch, onion and garlic, 1 egg, Chinese ham, tofu, and egg tofu, our pepper ground, and chicken powder. Now, let us go to prepare everything, all these things. Now, we are going to cut all these things and prepare. Cut this tofu and prepare it. Now, we are going to make a sauce. Cornstarch, I put 2 teaspoons and then water. It's up to you how many amount of water you want, and then salt. I put not too much salt, and then sugar so that the taste will going to be balanced, salt and sugar. And then don't forget our chicken powder. For spicy flavor, we are going to put a little pepper ground and then stir it. Don't forget the sesame oil, so the smell will going to be nice. And then stir it so that the cornstarch inside will going to dissolve and the seasoning is going to dissolve. Now the egg white, we are going to make this minced pork already marinated with salt, sugar, and a little cornstarch. So it's up to you how many you want to put all the seasoning. Now let us going to fry all our tofu. Just put and make it hot our oil and wok, and then put our tofu. As you can see, it's very hot our oil. The reason why is the tofu will not going to stick and will going to broken the shape of the tofu. That's why I make and I use big fire for this frying tofu. As you can see, I need to balance the fire now and then so that it will not going to burn. As you can see, the shape's still the same. Now we are going to drain this one first. Just get something to drain the tofu so that the remaining oil will going to remove. Okay. And then after that, we are going to cook the egg tofu also. Okay. Now we are going to cook egg tofu. Make sure your fire is still the same so that it will not going to stick to the wood and the shape will still the same. Now we are going to drain this one again together with the tofu, this egg tofu. As you can see, the shape still the same. Now we are going to cook the Chinese ham. I don't know where you are going to buy this one, but my boss bought it this one. So this one is optional. You can use another ham if you want, or you can use meatloaf if you want. Just fry a little and then remove it and drain it together with the egg tofu and tofu. Just remove it and drain it and off the fire. Then we are going to set aside this one first because we are going to saute the garlic and onion. Okay. Balance your fire. Make sure your fire this time is low so that the garlic and the onion will not going to burn. Just stir it and saute it. And then we are going to add our minced pork. Okay, as you can see, not too much oil. Okay, just stir it. Yeah, then add the mushroom. Then stir it again. Balance your fire. This one will become watery because of the mushroom. Okay, just stir it. Make sure it's not going to burn. And then add the seasoning, our more liquid seasoning. And then stir it. Okay, and then we are going to already add all the tofu, egg tofu and ham. And then we are going to put the sauce. Okay, this time you make it the fire high, big fire, so that it's easy to cook because we are going to cook only the sauce. This one have the cornstarch, so it will going to become sticky. Make sure you are going to taste it, and the last minute you are going to put the egg white. Very fast, then off it. Okay, sticky already, off at the fire, and then transfer to the clean bowl. Okay, now already cooked. As you can see, the mushroom, the egg tofu, and the tofu and minced pork is there. Okay, now it's already cooked. By the way, shout out to Self-Healing God. Thank you for watching my video right now. I know you are watching. Now we are going to put the garnish. A little garnish, just a little, for decoration. Thank you so much for watching. To those who not yet subscribed, I appreciate if you are going to subscribe, hit the button and like my video. So until next time guys, please like my video and watch out. Thank you so much. Bye.